sub. So it's second period and we're just practicing for our lit presentation and yeah. I think we're gonna line up for election voting. Guru, probably. I think we're gonna vote for the elections here. So my vote's done. It's the proof that I'm at the bathroom to do my hair and what it's actually still second period and all we did was just practice our lit reporting because in upcoming reporting this lunch, so that's what we've done and done na kami mag-practice and for now just rest. Recess and having a break. Dapat na po mi guys. Dapat na po mi for third period. And we're doing reporting, so that's why it's kind of noisy right now.
This period value master of rhythm.
We're eating, and actually we're done eating. It's lunchtime. We're gonna go back to our classroom. And yeah, this is our campus. It's, what is it, fifth period?
Yes. And today the students will have their interview.
Job interview. This, guys, he's gonna apply for a job and he's wearing PE pants, not formal pants. It's sixth period and there's no teacher yet, so we're actually waiting. Our next period is PR and yeah. It's last period and we're gonna have stats and probability. We're at math and math, complicating math. Classes ended and napa kami cheer dance club or club clothing.